Hey there, Corey back, and today I want to talk about Genially and specifically their infographics and their diagram infographics, which are a lot like the interactive images that they have. So you can see here I am on the templates page. They have a lot of infographics for the basic free plan. That's what I am on. That is what I use, and that's what I use to create things for certain courses. Now, with the free plan, you are limited to hyperlinking content that you create within Genially to other content that you create elsewhere, and I'll show you an example of that. So this is a course I made in Talent LMS, and the item that I made using Genially is the Advanced Directive Umbrella. So let's see, I'm going to update this. So you can see this is an interactive element, and I've got an audio playing in the background. It's an interactive template here that I was able to customize for the content that I needed. And I chose that again from Genially's free content available to me as a basic subscriber, and it was through their infographics and their diagrams. So I'm going to go to my menu, which is my working space, and pull up this Advanced Directive Infographic, which is what I've called it, and just walk you through some of the elements that I was able to customize and what they provide versus what I uploaded to this graphic. So first of all, you can see the content here as it appeared in the course. I was able to customize all of the text on this page. So my header, each one of the individual snippets here within the diagram, as well as the diagram subtitles and the center confirmation or information there. And I uploaded audio. So let me show you how I did that. So with text, you click on this left-hand panel, and of all things, you click the menu item named text. So you can enter headers, subheaders, body type, different types of body content, whether it's a bulleted list, a numbered list, or just paragraph content. You can also enter some pre-formatted text if that's what you wish to do. I'm going to delete what I created over here, because if you didn't know, Genially does create, it is a live update. So you can see I've added a bunch of stuff here. Let's go ahead and stop right there. You can see I've added this text box here. If I go back over to where I've linked my content with this graphic, you can see that it now has that text box. So be mindful that if you are playing with a graphic that you've linked to live content, it will update that live content accordingly. Okay, my diagram doesn't have any images, but if I wanted to add images, I would simply click on the image menu bar, and I could select from their stock images and their stock GIFs, or GIFs, however you prefer. They have a large amount of images in inventory, but it's not the widest variety of inventory, if that makes sense. So you're limited to what they have. They do provide a good amount, but the variety may be limited as to the extent to what type of information or images you want to drill down to for your specific graphic. No fear, you can always upload your own image. So if you've got a photograph that you've taken or other graphics that you've created in Adobe or Canva or other applications, you can upload those images here. Resources refers to icon shapes and all the other illustrators that you might want to add, line art, etc. These menus are pretty hardy in what that you're able to connect, but once again, I think that you're able to, let me check. Nope, you are not able to upload your own there, so beware there. Interactive elements, these are a lot of your buttons and your links. So if you wanted to put in a window to link to a photograph that you've uploaded, you can do that here. You can add timers and widgets and interactive graphs to content that you want to upload. You can also add little embedded quizzes, so true-false questionnaires, any of that content into your infographic. Smart blocks are very similar to what we saw before with data tables and graphs. So if you have information that you want to upload and have that connected to content, you can do so. And then insert is where you can upload a custom image. As I did, I recorded audio using another feature, and then I saved that audio and uploaded it here. You can create custom video and upload it and attach it, embed it into your graphic. Then a lot of this is social media or embedded content. You can see Amazon. If you had an Amazon storefront, you can embed that. MailChimp, all of your social medias are here. So a lot of functionality, at least in the basic program, for what you may need. Here is the background. So if I wanted to change colors, you might be limited to what this template provides. Not all template colors are available with the basic plan, but you have plenty of choices. It's not like you're severely limited and your hands are kind of tied to what you can do. So if I click on this palette right here, it's going to bring up your palette. And you see if I go over and I click up here in the document colors, it's going to tell me what needs premium and what doesn't. So here it's got a suggested palette. I'm going to go look and see if I can change this background color. I don't like any of those. So let me click on this box right here to add a color. That's colorful. How about we move that back to white? How about blue? How about gray? And you can see each time I change this color, it's going to come over here to the live. So you see that's gray now. If I go and I change it back to purple and I come back over here, it's changed it to purple. So again, just be mindful, but it has a lot of flexibility. I'm going to change that to white. And again, you can upload images here or you can use stock images. And then the final page here is pages. This is a one-page graphic, so I've only got the one page. If this was a multi-page presentation or course, you'll be able to see the pages within the course or presentation here, either listed or in grid format. So now down here, you've got add a page, trash. If you wanted to just throw this all away, you could. You can enlarge your canvas. You can highlight portions of your canvas. You can go back and forth to your pages from here if you didn't want to use this menu. And then once again, here are your document colors and your palette colors. So that's it basically for this. It was a pretty nifty little thing to add into a course content to make it pretty for people that are attending this course. And I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to see anything else on Genially, also let me know in the comments below. Thanks and have a great one.